Campagnolo wheels, our title sponsor. We have an Infront Ultra set, and we have a Zonda disc wheel set, each valued at $800. We have a $100
this is beautiful.
card to Pulse.
You can actually take it with you too.
Yeah, and it's a T-handle.
We have two $50
be a T-handle, even a
gift cards to
screwdriver
Ballast
for
Point.
choice.
And for
Yeah, my wife will go crazy on this one.
Yes, listen here. We've just added 2 free entries to the Giro this summer's Giro ride. 2 free entries are part of this raffle. We also added 2 free entries to the 2020 Campagnolo Grand Fargo, all part of this raffle, and 5 retro pieces of merchandise, retro being pre-2018. Any of these can be used for a $5 ticket. That raffle booth is the first white booth in the middle of Expo with the 2019 Pinarello Gone 105 bike. Look at me right in the eye. It can be yours. It will be somebody's by 4 o'clock tomorrow afternoon. You do not need to be present to win.
So make those as well.
You don't even have to be riding with us to enter the raffle. Again, you do not need to be present to win. We have to make sure we have your name and phone number. We will be in touch for you to pick it up. That 2019 Pinarello Gone 105 can be yours for a $5 ticket. Somebody is going to win that bike tomorrow by 4 o'clock.